So I'm gonna show you how to recreate this campaign in HighLevel. So I have a workflow in here. What's difference in HighLevel is not sure if they have an internal form like this, so you can disregard that. So we're gonna proceed on here. So the first is we need a trigger tag. So most of the tags that are coming from Keap or Infusionsoft, when the account was imported to HighLevel, the tag was automatically imported as well. The difference is first is all of the format is in small letter. In Keap it looks like this, but in HighLevel it looks like this. In Keap, this is a tag category. So when you search for the tag, it's only members tree and so on. But in HighLevel, there's no categorization. So when HighLevel imported the tag from Keap to HighLevel, as you can see, it is connected in one line. So to do this, first again we need a trigger tag, and then next is we need to remove that tag. So we're just gonna follow this. So I need to remove that tag since that is just a trigger tag. So start campaign. So this one. Next is we need to apply. So we need to recreate this one. So in here, there's no delay. And then I'm simply giving the module 1 tag. So in here, I'm gonna do add contact tags. So module 1. Let's make sure that is the correct tag. So we have module 1. So drip membership 03, module 1. Next is we're going to wait for 4 weeks. So let's add a waiting. So weeks. So there's no week, so I'm gonna count that for days. So 4 weeks run on Sunday. So there's an advance. So maybe let's do that. So in here, and then run on Sunday, and then anytime. Okay, for this one, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna leave it here within that time, and then save action. So that's my waiting. As you can see, it's not exactly similar, so there is gonna be some adjustment. And then the same process. So in here, we need to give the tag. This time, because they have waited already for the 30 days, so this one is module 2. And then we need to do another wait. I'm not sure if I can copy this and then paste that here. Okay, so that's gonna be similar. And then if you have an email, of course you need to put an email, but as you can see, there is no something like this that when they have the tag, the purpose of this before was because we have this internal form that when the admin use that, they're gonna jump and automatically give access to that specific user to the specific part of the automation in Keap. But in HighLevel, we don't have that in here. But in terms of just the flow, this is how I'm gonna recreate that one.